Good morning, Year 2. It's Monday again and the start of another week and another week of maths. So today we are doing the 10 times table. So this is just carrying on from last week, the last times table we've got to do. So today we're going to use the 10 times table. So our anchor today, which of these numbers are in the 10 times table? So I want you to pause the video, talk about it with somebody and decide which ones are in the 10 times table and which ones are not, but also tell them how you know. Then when you come back, we'll go through the answers. Okay, so let's have a look. Here are the answers. So 100 is in the 10 times table, 60 and 10 are in the 10 times table. 45 and 54 are not. The reason why is because all of the numbers in the 10 times table, what do they all have in common? They've all got a 0 on the end. There is nothing in their ones column. And if it's a 3-digit number, there's nothing in the tens and the ones column. They're just placeholder zeros, okay? Okay, so Whitney has been playing with towers of 10. How many towers has she built? How many cubes are in each tower and how many cubes has she used in total? And what multiplication can we write to show this? Now we did lots of these last week, so I'd like you to pause the video and write the answers down. Okay, so how many towers has she built? Well, she has built 1, 2, 3, 4 towers. How many cubes are in each tower? Now they're all equal, so I just need to count one tower. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So there are 10 cubes in each. So how many cubes has she used in total? Now I could, like I said last week, count every single cube, but I know there are 10 in each tower, so I'm just going to use my tens. So there are 10, 20, 40. So I have got 4 groups with 10 in each group, which equals 40. Okay, Dexter has got some 10p coins. How many coins has he got? How much is each coin worth? And how much money does he have in total? Again, pause the video, have a go yourself. Okay, so he has got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 coins. Each coin is worth 10p. So how much money does he have in total? Remember, you are not counting this as 1, it is worth 10. It would be the same as having 10 apples in a basket or something, okay? So you've got 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. So he has got 70p. Remember, it's a p because it's got money, because it is money, and the p stands for pence. So he has got 7 coins, each worth 10p, which means he has got 70 altogether. Missing number questions. Now I want you to pause and have a go at these. 10 times something equals 30. Something times 10 equals 70. And this is a backwards one, so something equals 4 times 10. Okay, so let's see if you can get these right. So in here would be 3. If I've got 3 groups of 10, I would have 30. This would be 7. 7 groups of 10 would give me 70. And then to work this one out, although it is a backwards sum, you can still work this part out. You just put your answer at the beginning. So 4 times 10 is 40. Hope you all got those right. You'll have to let me and Miss Smith know via email if you did. Okay, using the bar model. Rosie, Eva and Dexter have some money. Here is Rosie's money. Here is Eva's money. Dexter has some 10p pieces. How many coins does Dexter have? And Dexter says, I've got twice as much as Rosie and Eva put together. So the first thing we need to do is work out how much Rosie's got. So Rosie has got, you need to identify the coin, which is 5p. So she's got 5, 10, 15, 20, because she's got four 5p's. So 4 times 5 equals 20. So Rosie has got 20p. I'm just going to highlight that so we know that that's what Rosie has got. Eva has got 2p's, and she's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So her sum would be 5 times 2 equals, and you should all know that that is 10. So Eva has got 10p. Okay, so in a bar model, you would put those together. So 20 add 10 is 30. So that is what Rosie and Eva have got. Now we know that Dexter has got twice as much. Remember from last week when it was twice as much, what did you have to do? We had to times it by 2. So you need to do the same amount. If I reveal it this way, so there is the same amount, but he's got twice as much. So therefore he has got 60p, because double 30 is 60. If you got that right, a massive well done, and especially if you used a bar model, well done. Okay, bronze questions today. You've got some true or false questions. You've got to say whether you need to compare the statements, with the greater than, less than, or equal sign. You've got some arrays. You need to circle the sum that matches the array. And then you've got to choose the correct number to make the calculation correct. Silver, you're doing questions 1 to 4 on the silver and gold sheet. So you've got to write the calculation for the cookies, complete the bar models, draw your own bar model to represent another sum, and complete the number line. And gold, you are doing questions 5 to 7. You need to complete all the missing numbers in the number sentences. You've got a bit of a word problem about Eva. And then you've got another word problem here. So 4 children have some money. Okay, and you need to tell me how much money they each have. Platinum, some really tricky questions for you again. You need to match the calculation to the answers for those 2 questions. Jake and Laura are solving multiplications. You need to tell me if they are correct, but explain your answer. And then these 2 are very tricky. If you can have a go at these, we'll be really proud of you, okay? And I will be back tomorrow with another maths video. Have a lovely day.